Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we discuss the important topic, the rights of prisoners of war. Introduction. The rights of prisoners of war are protected under international humanitarian law, which includes the Geneva Conventions and additional protocols. These legal instruments establish guidelines for the treatment and protection of individuals who are captured and detained during armed conflicts. The rights of prisoners of war are outlined in detail, and some key principles include: Number 1 is humane treatment. POWs must be treated humanely at all times. They are entitled to respect for their person and dignity, and they should not be subjected to any form of physical or mental torture, cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment. Second is non-discrimination. All POWs are entitled to equal treatment without any adverse distinction based on race, religion, nationality, or other similar criteria. Third is identification and status. Captured individuals must be treated as POWs until a competent tribunal determines otherwise. POWs have the right to wear a recognizable uniform and to carry identification, making their status clear. Fourth, protection from violence and intimidation. POWs must be protected from acts of violence, intimidation, and reprisals. They cannot be coerced into providing information beyond their name, rank, and serial number. Number 5. Medical treatment. POWs are entitled to receive medical care for their physical and mental health. The medical personnel treating them must not be compelled to perform acts contrary to medical ethics. Number 6. Proper housing and food. Detention facilities for POWs should be humane, and prisoners must be provided with adequate food, water, and shelter. Number 7. Communication with families. POWs have the right to correspond with their families and receive mail. They are also entitled to receive visits from the International Committee of the Red Cross (ICRC).